How to find liked reels on Facebook. To get started, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile at the top. Tap on Videos as shown. Here, you can view all your videos on Facebook. Then, tap on Liked. Over here you will be able to see all your liked videos on Facebook. Liked videos are only visible to you. Tap on any to view them. You can also unlike them from here if you want. Following these steps, you can easily find liked reels on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.